SMore wave scanner adopts 4 groups of lighting modules, grouped by the ordinary light source and polarized light source. Group 1 and 2 emit the ordinary light, while Group 3 and 4 emit the polarized light. The performance varies remarkably between the two. When we turn on the ordinary light sources in Group 1 and 2, numerous highly reflective spots are visible on the surface. Barcode is therefore blocked, degrading the performance of code reading. But when we turn on the polarized light sources in Group 3 and 4, the amount of highly reflective spots on the object is remarkably reduced. SMore wave scanner with polarized light source can be widely used to scan barcodes of highly reflective objects such as metal, glass, ceramics, etc.